doesn't like nature? Everyone feels the need to go out on a walk and breathe some fresh air. The hustle and bustle of everyday life seems to melt away when one steps into an area full of nature. So let me tell you, if you are in Ludhiana or a nearby town, you can experience this beauty of nature in Punjab Agriculture University, which has been hoarding these beautiful elements of nature since 1962, which you are definitely going to love. So I'm here at the Floriculture farm. It is located just opposite the Department of Floriculture, Punjab Agriculture University. It is a main hub for all the garden enthusiasts as well as students. The farm comprises a working area for the scientists as well as a beautiful garden for all the students and visitors. The garden comprises various styles such as formal and informal, and it showcases a variety of annuals, trees, shrubs, hardscapes, and much more. Come with me and let's explore the farm. As we enter the farm, on the left side, there is a display of variety of shrubs. And on the right side, there is this meeting place made of stones and a big neem tree at the center. How beautiful this place is. Besides that, there are fields of various scientists for research purposes on crops such as gladiolus, Sadabahar, and marigold. As we move ahead, the farm divides into three sections: the right one, the middle one, and the left one. Let's go to the right one first. Here are some of the shots of this side. Now let's explore the middle section. Here are some of its glimpses. Here comes the big attraction. Hundreds of chrysanthemum varieties displayed on Chrysanthemum Show of PAU. Now let's explore the right section. Here are some of its glimpses. So this comes to an end. Now let's move on to our another location. Here we are at Rock Garden of Punjab Agriculture University. Rock Garden in PAU is a stone garden made for rock enthusiasts in Ludhiana. It sits near the College of Agriculture lecture room complex and Dr. D.S. Dev exam hall. It is made by the famous architect Nekchand Saini. It consists of man-made rock walls, ceramic bridges, as well as natural undulating slopes and plants and shrubs. It is very thoughtful of the architect to place this garden near the lecture room complex, as the stressed out students from the lecture can relax out there. Here are some of its glimpses. See not only the gardens of PAU, but the whole campus is turned into a natural pool. Every department, every building, every road has its own natural beauty, has its own charisma. Not even a single road is devoid of any natural element. That's what makes PAU different. Well, nature lovers, how was that? I am extremely satisfied with such environment of the campus. I'm not a morning person, but I would love to wake up early to see such amazing views.